Cleanest Restaurant Group is a specialized commercial cleaning franchise focused exclusively on restaurant cleaning and sanitation services. The brand is positioned within a niche segment of the cleaning industry that serves restaurants with professional, recurring cleaning solutions. Franchise owners operate a service-based business providing cleaning and sanitation services to restaurants and food service establishments. The model focuses on building long-term relationships with local restaurant clients who require ongoing, consistent cleaning and compliance-focused services throughout the year. Revenue is generated through recurring service contracts and repeat commercial clients. The business is structured with low overhead and scalable operations, allowing owners to grow through additional accounts and service teams while maintaining operational efficiency. With no direct national competitor focused solely on restaurant cleaning, the model is positioned within a specialized and essential service category. This is a home-based service model supported by structured training, operational guidance, and ongoing support. Franchise owners receive training in sales, service delivery, and business management, along with continued coaching to support growth and client acquisition. The initial total investment is $99,000. Inside the full InfoPack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Cleanest Restaurant Group to your top picks and request the InfoPack today.